Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2018 Audi Q3 Premium 2.0 Turbo. We're doing a coolant flush. Got our coolant. See how dark this coolant looks. It's supposed to be violet, like a purple, light purple. And this is pretty much bad coolant. I already replaced the coolant reservoir, and it all mixed up, and that's the result. So you want to drain this out, drain out the old, and put new coolant in it. Before we put the new coolant in it, we want to put distilled water in it and let it run for about 10 minutes and then drain it again. And that's the process, man. So I'm going ahead and show you how we get it done. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got the skid plate removed. We got a few bolts. It's a T25 for the small bolts, and then we got three of these, they T45. So this is what we're gonna do, man. We got this hose right here. It's the lower radiator hose. It's attached to the radiator here. We're gonna disconnect it. Disconnect this hose clamp and drain all the coolant out. I mean, this is bad. I'm gonna recommend a thermostat replacement. I'll go ahead and fill it up, distilled water. So that level gonna drop down. You keep pouring it in until it's topped off. Turn on the heat, full blast, and rev it up. Alright, we're getting a little clear. Alright. Got some foam. Alright, we back up in there. Got a new clamp on there. I'm gonna put that skid plate back on there, top it off. Alright, same process as before. Top it off, heat on. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. We got color. It ain't brown no more. I hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, Pull-Up King.